Yeah, this one's a little trade recap for today. What is it? It's the 16th of July, so I'm going to be extremely contradicting in this trade recap. Like, one side of me saying I shouldn't even upload this because, yeah, but at the same time, you can see where I've gone wrong, or where I've nearly gone terribly wrong. I didn't even look at the news, like, to double check. The news didn't even cross my mind. I already knew there was news today, like from Monday when I checked the news for the week. But yeah, my brain was just not working today. But I got lucky. I got extremely lucky. But basically, let's forget about the news for a minute. So when I've come on today, I can see that there's, first of all, here there's an untapped gap on the 1 minute and the 15 minute. Price has come down into here. Obviously there's not a gap on this time frame, but let's just say there is for this time being. Price has swept these lows, and now as you can see there's a little gap here on the 1 hour. I mean, technically, yeah. So I was waiting for price to close above this. Now price closed above it at 1 o'clock, so I've gone down to the 1 minute, and straight away on the 1 minute got this big downwards manipulation candle, manipulating to the downside, tapping into this FVG, sweeping this liquidity this low as well. So obviously I've waited for a close above. Now on micro it didn't close above, but when I'm trading micro, that ain't even. When I'm trading micro NQ, I've always got on my phone or on another monitor, mini NASDAQ, just because you need to be following that chart. It's more accurate. So price did close above. I entered, but it didn't fill me in. It filled me in about here, I think. 30 tick stop loss. No. Yeah. So I marked up this high first of all, but see, I like to take partials. I like to close 50% of my position at around 1 to 1, and yeah, 1 to 7 ain't doing it for me. But yeah, my stop loss to break even at this high, and another reason why you gotta watch like proper NASDAQ NQ, like this one. I don't even NQU 2025 September. I don't even use NQ1. I like these ones. They're more accurate, like just in terms of equal highs and yeah, little things. But yeah, so like even at the break even, it touched it on here, but on NQ it hadn't hit it yet, so I didn't move it. Obviously once it hit it on mini NQ, I move my stop loss to break even. And then what I've done is I looked to the left and I've targeted. There's a big gap here, there's not really anywhere to target. The other high is higher than this high. So I targeted the top of this because like it often respects this in a fair value gap. If it's not going to break past it, it normally touches it, like it respects it of some sort. Do you get what I'm saying? So I've used that as a target. I've closed half of my position. It was a 30 contract trade on micro. I should have took it on normal NQ, but I couldn't be bothered. So I've got a copy trader set up. So yeah, closed half at 1 to, I think it was 1 to 1.3. I think it was there, yeah. So that's why I got filled in. Yeah, that's it. Closed half there. Then I've also targeted these equal highs here. These are technically equal highs. Looks the same on normal on mini NQ as well. So I've closed. So it's a 30 contract trade. I've closed 15 here. Sorry. 15. Yeah, 15 here at this first take profit. Furthermore, I've closed, out of the 15 left, I've closed 10 contracts here, then the rest is at this 40p. Now, you see where news come out at 8:30 mid-trade? This shit, it's hit my 40p, and where it's closed, the 10 contracts here, and there's 5 contracts left on the trade, but this take profit, full take profit is still at 15 contracts. Yeah. It went all the way up to here. I was seeing numbers I did not want to see in the negative, but I thought, you know, in them times you gotta stay composed. I thought, cool, it's either gonna blow my accounts, or it's coming back down and I'm gonna close it for better. And it was sitting at like 600-700 at one point. And I waited till it come down to at least $100, minus $100, so that's 0.2% on a 50k account. That's negative, and then I closed that shit. I think I closed it at $90, which I'm happy with. But yeah, basically, really, really, really dumb from me. But I'm still gonna upload this just to show you lot how important it is to do your due diligence. Make sure you even triple check shit that you are convinced you don't need to triple check, because I promise you'll now and then or all the time stumble across something you haven't noticed. Do you get what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I think that is it.